I want to say that I'm getting this done hurriedly because I want to see what's inside the package, which is true, but also I've got food from Cheddar's and I want to hurry and eat it. Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I am super excited because it is an unboxing video. So I have already talked about this and I want to kind of talk while I'm opening just because, like I said, I want this to go fast. I had a breakdown a little while ago and sold a lot of my purses because, like, I realized that I was just buying them to have them, and I wasn't buying ones that I necessarily wanted so much as trying to, like, collect handbags. So anyway, I haven't bought a handbag in a long time, and so that's what this is, obviously. Come on, get open. Yeah, I'm not going to go too much into depth with the whole selling my handbags, just other to say I didn't find myself using them a lot, so I sold them. You get the point. So I got the packaging off. This looks completely different than the packaging from the other, but okay. So this is from Trendly again, which if you didn't see my Givenchy Pandora unboxing, I'll have it linked at the end of the video. It's actually one of the bags I ended up selling because it was smaller than I thought it was going to and it just didn't suit me. But yeah, this bag I've been wanting ever since it came out. I even considered like saving up my money to buy it, but it just didn't come through, and so I was on Trendly recently just because I was looking at their bags because I knew I wanted to buy myself a new one since I'm working so hard and stuff, just kind of a reward for myself. And this came up and it was too good of a deal to pass up, and it was during the Black Friday event, so I got like 15% off, I think. But I just want to open it now. So it came in this black box. And we're opening the black box. And there's some bubble wrap in here. And I'm going to have to hide that because Zazzy will want to eat it. And then inside that, oh my goodness, I can see it. I'm so excited. Rid of that box. Have some black paper. This is completely different than how my other bag was wrapped. But have a Trendly dust bag, which is really nice because the other one didn't come with one, so I guess they only do it if the bag doesn't come with a dust bag. Because I don't think this one came with one. But, oh, everything is falling. So here's a thank you for your purchase and the return policy, the certificate of authentication. I don't know how to talk, but yeah. So, in case you didn't know, Trendly is like a place kind of like Fashion File, but yeah. So I keep all of that just in case. So opening the dust bag, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I went, oh my gosh, the leather is so smooth. Oh my gosh, it's prettier than I thought it would be. Oh, I'm so in love. So, the bag that I got is a Mulberry. And that's actually, I sold my Alexa to just because it was too big. Like, I wanted the smaller size originally. But this is my new to me Mulberry Cara bag in the black quilted leather in the medium size. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I own this bag. I've wanted this ever since it came out. Like, I was obsessed with it. Oh, it does have the dust bag. Oh, okay, well that's cool. I guess they've upped their game a little bit. I don't know. And this is not sponsored, by the way. I mean, Trendly. hit me up. But yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm dying. Like, do you see? I'm dead. I'm dead right now. But this is the inside. It's literally a black hole. It's got black velvet. I think Zazzy's crying. It's got black velvet, not velvet, suede on the inside. And it has 2 slip pockets and 1 zip pocket. And then on the inside it's got the little heart and it says Mulberry, and then has the little lion head, which you can't see. I don't know, maybe you can. It's like right in there. But that's because Cara has a tattoo on her finger, I think, of a lion. And then the bottom says Made in England, because she has a tattoo like that on the bottom of her foot. I cannot imagine getting a tattoo on the bottom of my foot. So this is the tag. If you want to return it, you have to keep that on, but I ain't returning this baby. You're mine now. Get rid of that. But yeah, and I'm definitely going to do like a what's in my bag video with this and a review once I've fully used it. But like on first glances, it's just as beautiful as the YouTube videos that I've seen of it. And originally, like when this bag came out, originally I wanted the one, like the taupe one with the lion head all over it. And then I saw this one and I liked this one. So I didn't really care, I just wanted the Cara bag because I loved it. I love how you can change it into a backpack or a shoulder bag, and that's not how the backpack goes, but oh well. But I just love the functionality of it and the style and everything. But I was kind of hoping for the black quilted one just because black goes with everything. And for some reason, I don't know why, but these, like this one and then the one with the lion's head all over it, were the only ones that had leather straps. The other ones had canvas, and I didn't really like that. So here it is. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm literally going to rip all of my stuff out of my Tory Burch bag and put it in this and probably never change it because I love this bag so much. Like, the leather is incredible. This leather is softer than my Alexa was. Don't know what that sound was. But yeah, it's so pretty. There is actually a lock in this little thing. Can I get it out? Can I see it? There it comes. So, oh, and it still has the plastic on it. Nothing else does. But, well, at least I'll have the satisfaction of taking that off. That was satisfying. But, yeah. So, I don't know if you can actually lock and unlock this. I don't know. Oh, no, there we go. Yep, I guess you can take that off if you wanted to, but this didn't come with a key, so I'm not going to do that. What is going on out there? But, yep, that is my new bag, and of course it has the little thingy here to keep the straps up, which I probably won't keep on the bag just because I don't think I want to do that unless I'm traveling. I may just like keep it on this bottom or the back just so I don't lose it, but I'm not going to use that unless I travel. But yeah, hopefully next time you see this bag it'll be well worn in. I'll have a bunch of keychains and stuff on it. Like, I'm going to make this bag mine. But yeah. Also, do you think I should put a little thing in here that has like my name or something in it? I'm not sure, but I like how it has the little mulberry tree there. But anyway, here it is. I'll probably just for now make this to a crossbody, just because that's normally, because right now I just go to work, so I either have my handbag like this or I carry it over my shoulder, so probably going to do that. And then once I actually start going out places, I'll turn it into a backpack, but I don't know, we'll see. But here it is again, just so you can stare at it. Here you go, stay on my shoulder. It's so pretty. I'm so happy. Okay. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And I have a ton of dust bags now. So there's something. The one thing I am going to say is I wish that Mulberry had done something special with on the dust bag, like other things do when they have a collaboration, but oh well. Can't change the past. But yeah, that was that. So I want to go change my stuff in here now and then eat my cheddars food. So hope that you enjoyed this video. Stick around for that what's in my bag video and then a full review on this coming up soon. Also, I have a ton of other videos planned out. I'm hopefully going to do Vlogmas this year, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.